No problem, Jason. Again, I have a bunch of cards. I'm not going to do a lot with them. I'm trying to give away as much as possible. But, like, the bunch of teams I have left are, like, Indiana Pacers, the Rockets, Houston Rockets, Houston Texans. So, if I do end up having any of your, like, favorite teams, you can count on it that I'll give it to you. If not, I give you guys, like, 5% off towards our next break. Not, yeah. Casey, you laugh now, but it was actually a smart pull because a lot of the players not listed have the autographs. So if we hit an autograph, it's most likely going to you. All right, so we got Casey going to the players not listed. We got Richard taking Mobley, Cunningham, Barnes, Zaire Williams going to Chris. Paul's getting Kita and Dodge is getting Cameron Thomas, Herbert Jones, Ao DeSumo, Brendan Boston Jr., Jonathan Kuminga, and Moses Moody. So again, before we start, we do a thing called February 1st. Okay, just making sure donation summary is right. So before we start this break, we do a thing called the donation of the break. This is just where we pick a charity of choosing and donate a portion of the proceeds towards a various charity of choosing. We usually choose Sick Kids Hospital only because one, it has had a huge impact on my family. I've had to stay at Sick Kids for several weeks overnight, and I was actually a patient there for several years. Later got diagnosed with Crohn's disease, so it was a very troubling time. But I couldn't think of a better way to start off the breaks. If you guys have any other charities, shout out to Sick Kids Hospital, yes sir. If you guys have any other charities of choice, just let me know. Drop them down in the comments. I really do enjoy when you guys just let me know any charities that impacted you or have helped you in directly ways. And so I'm looking for other charities to donate to, both on my free time and for the donation of the break. So we got the Chronicles Cello box today. We got 12 packs, 15 cards per pack. Let's pull these out. We got 12 packs, empty box. Alright, so this is what the packs look like. Alright, good luck everybody. There's a Jalen Suggs right behind. Alright, we got a Zaire Williams. There we go. Went to Paul, I'm pretty sure. Chris Duarte. Scotty Barnes. Franz Wagner. Jaden Springer. Hey, yo, that's a nice hit. Prices. These are random team breaks, but what I have the pull box, $2.50 per pull up there right now, but I can show you what I have later on. That's why I gotta set up a website. I gotta set up a website soon. But have a bunch of stuff. We got Charles Bassey, Mosaic, Optic, K. Jones. I got Optic blister packs for $25. Jalen Johnson, another Scotty Barnes, Franz Wagner, Jaden Springer, Greg Brown, Cade Cunningham going to Richard, and a Jalen Suggs. All right. We got a K. I'll kiss you. I forgot. That's Richard Casey. K. Jones, Greg Brown, Jonathan Kuminga, Isaiah Jackson, Ayo, Chris Duarte on the Flux. Isaiah Jackson, Cameron Thomas, Kai Jones, Cade Cunningham, Jalen Suggs, Jonathan Kuminga, Corey Crispert, Davion Mitchell, and a Trey Mann. All right, we got a Cade Cunningham to start things off with Jalen Suggs. We got Jonathan Kuminga. We got Keon Johnson, Corey Crispert, Davion Mitchell, Ayo, Jalen Suggs on the bronze. Nice hit. Nice hit. We got a Mobley, Isaiah Jackson, Ayo, Keon Johnson, Luke Garza, Moses Moody, and a Jalen Johnson. All right, we got a Boston Junior, Scotty Barnes, Franz Wagner, Josh Christopher, Garrett Butler, Kai Jones, Moses Moody, Scotty Barnes on the XR bronze. That's a nice hit for Richard. Jalen Suggs, Josh Christopher, Jared Butler, Kai Jones, Jonathan Kuminga, Isaiah Jackson, Ayo. All right. We got a Jaden Springer, Josh Christopher, Greg Brown, Cade Cunningham, Jalen Suggs, Scotty Barnes on the select premiere. On not premiere, it's courtside. Nice hit for Richard. Nice hit for Richard. Wow. Jalen Johnson, Jaden Springer, Moses Moody, Quinta, got Cade Cunningham, Jalen Suggs, Keon Johnson, Corey Crispert, Davion Mitchell. Honestly, Casey, you're the only one here, so I think you're going to get the free pull. Matthew Hurt, Kai Jones, Greg Brown, Jonathan Kuminga, Isaiah Jackson, Ayo, Cameron Thomas, Corey Kispert, Cade Cunningham, Jonathan Kuminga, Isaiah Jackson, Ayo, Trey Mann, Luka Garza, Moses Moody. Oh, is that a... No, it's a filler probably. It's a filler. Tricked us. Alright, we got a Isaiah Jackson, Tasuma, Keon Johnson, Trey Mann. As soon as I saw it on the back, I was like, yeah, they don't come in. Isaiah Jackson, they don't come in Cello backs. Keon Johnson, Jalen Suggs. Again, like, I have Jalen Suggs, so I'm getting every Jalen Suggs in this. Davion Mitchell, Corey Crispert, another Mitchell. Rayron Sharp. I don't think that was listed, Casey. Cameron Thomas, Mobley, and a Jalen Green. All right, we got a Corey Kispert, Mitchell, Trey Mann, Moses Moody, Jalen Johnson, Cameron Thomas, Corey Crispert, Moses Moody on the recon. I think Giddey is in this, honestly. but I think it's like you have to pull an autograph of Giddy. Franz Wagner, Basie, Moody, Jalen Johnson, Williams, Chris Duarte, and lucky nobody got that, Raekwon Gray. Also, Casey, I'm thinking about purchasing a hobby box Prism football, the new one coming out. Would you be interested in buying into that break? I'm really thinking about it. They're coming out with it. Basie, Moses Moody, Jalen Johnson, Evan Mobley, Jalen Green, Brandon Boston Jr., there we go, Davion Mitchell, Moses Moody, I'm doing a team break. I'll do team breaks on those. Zaire Williams, Cameron Thomas, Evan Mobley, Jalen Green, Scotty Barnes, Franz Wagner, Jaden Springer. All right, third pack. You know how I feel about football. San Fran. Oh, Casey, how was the San Fran loss? I know they beat Dallas, so I can't make fun of you. I can't make fun of your 49ers. But congrats on beating Green Bay. But how do you feel about that Rams game? Cameron Thomas, don't do this. Oh, Evan Mobley, Jalen Green, Zaire Williams. But yeah, the 49ers are going to be stacked in that Prism break. Jimmy's gone. Yeah. That little flick interception. Lawson Jr., Trey Mann. You know what? I'm going to be honest. I can't believe he didn't make one of those mistakes during Green Bay or Dallas. Like, he was sharp, Green Bay and Dallas, but that last game, holy. AO on that nice bronze parallels. Another Scotty Barnes. Zaire Williams. Brandon Boston Jr. Herbert Jones. Jared Butler. K. Jones. Trey Lance. Do you think Trey Lance is going to go off next year? Oh, we have a cool bronze mosaic. Cade Cunningham. Jalen Suggs. Jonathan Kuminga. Keon Johnson. Corey Crispert. Keon Johnson on that bronze. Beautiful, beautiful hit. Evan Mobley on the bronze too. Corey Crispert on the recon. Isaiah Jackson. Keon Johnson. Corey Crispert. Davion Mitchell. Jalen Johnson. Cameron Thomas. And another Evan Mobley. Just imagine that hobby box is going to be loaded. This year's draft class was amazing. So, like, you have like 5 really good rookie QBs. I'm actually excited, but it depends. Like, if that hobby box was more than like 1,500 Canadian, I'm not buying it. Isaiah Jackson, AO, Keon Johnson, might have to buy in a break myself. Mitchell, Trey Mann, Charles Basie, Jalen Green, Williams. NBA hoops hobby? Like, are you going to? Or me? I actually was thinking about getting one. Charles Basie, Moses Moody, Jalen Green, and a Williams and a Chris Dort. I don't think I'll do an NBA hoops. I'll show you what I got after this break, but we'll see. But that concludes our last break, so I'll be giving away free pulls from the pull box.